I am Sekhmet. I am the warrior of the Crimson Sun, my eyes burning with fire. I wield a spear forged in solar heat, and the desert wind carries the scent of my fury. Pray you do not face my wrath, for I am the plague and the cure.